Welcome to our channel, Mathematicians.
Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study polynomials in algebra. So first of all, what is a polynomial? A polynomial is a mathematical expression with one or more terms where each term is constant, a variable, or a variable with an exponent of a positive whole number. So terms are combined together using plus, minus and multiply operations. You can combine terms using plus, minus and multiply operations. And the forbidden expression is divide, because if you divide by a variable, the variable will shift upward and it will be in the negative exponent. So the variables with negative exponents are not allowed in polynomials. So now we'll tell you that we are having some examples of polynomials. So polynomials, first example is x squared plus 2x minus 1. As I have told that that a variable with an exponent of positive whole number. So this is a variable x which has a positive whole number which is 2 as an exponent of it. So x squared plus 2x, here 2 is multiplied with the variable, means the constant is multiplied with the variable. So 2x minus 1. This is called a constant. 1 is called a constant. So these terms make a polynomial by combining, these terms are combined through this plus operation. X squared and 2x are combined through plus operation, and 2x and minus 1, 2x and 1 are combined through the minus operation. So this whole expression is called a polynomial. Now in the second example, as you can see that 4x, so if you have written a 4x, so it will be called a monomial because it doesn't have plus minus operations. This one 10 is called a constant polynomial. Like here you can see that 1 is a polynomial. So, sorry, a constant. So 10 is also a constant polynomial. Next example is like the example number 1, 4x squared plus x plus 1. Here also 4x squared, x has a power of 2 plus x here is a power of 1. 1 is also a positive whole number. So when there is nothing, when there is no power on the x, it means that there is a power of 1. So plus 1, which means a constant. So plus and plus operations are used over here to combine these terms together and to make it a polynomial. So we are having a next example of 3x plus 1 and a sixth example of 2a cube b square minus 3b square plus 2a minus 1. So this is a multivariable polynomial, means that here, as you can see that there are two variables, a cube and b cube. These are multiplied with each other, and this is a variable which is power of 3, a positive whole number exponent. And here also on the b there is a power of 2. Means this b and a are variables and this 2 is a constant. So these are whole combined in a term also. And minus 3b square plus 2a minus 1. So here two different terms are used. As you can see in the other one examples, which is this one, fourth one example and 5 and 1, there is only a variable x which is using over here, and this is not a multivariable. So this is called multivariable because there are two terms a and b used in this expression. Now I will tell you that what are non-polynomials. So non-polynomials, the first example we are having is 3 divided by x. As I have told earlier that the forbidden expression is divide. You cannot divide a variable by a variable or or a constant by a variable. So it simply means that you cannot divide the term with a variable. Because when you will shift it upwards, it will have a power of minus 1, which will means that here is a power of 1. So when you will shift it upwards, so this plus 1 power will be converted into minus 1. So x minus 1. This will become 3x minus 1, which is not acceptable in the polynomial expressions. So these type of terms are not acceptable in polynomial. X minus 2 is, which is again, I have given example of negative exponent, x minus 2, because there is a power in the minus 2. And in polynomials, there is only allowed an exponent of a positive whole number. So the negative exponent is not allowed in the polynomial. Next example we are having is 3 plus x minus 3. So 3 plus x minus 3 is because of this one term, this whole expression is not called a polynomial. Here root x, this is also not a polynomial. 3y square plus root y, this is also not a polynomial because of this term. Because of this term, this is not a polynomial expression. This is a non-polynomial expression. Now we can see more examples. Sixth example is 9 power z. The variable cannot be in the power of a constant or a variable with a power of variable. So this is also not used in a polynomial expression. So it is this whole expression will be called non-polynomial. Number 7 example we are having is 5y 2 upon 3. This is, the power is in fraction. So power in fraction is also not allowed allowed in the polynomial. So this is also a non-polynomial expression. I hope you like the video and you get a much clearer concept of polynomials in algebra. So Allah Hafiz, we'll meet you in another video of polynomials and we'll solve a few questions of it.
Like, share and comment and hit the bell icon to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.